Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Canva website into HTML. First, head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged in. Open up your website. I've got my sample site right here. Now, there are different ways to get your HTML from Canva. The first method is to click Publish Website in the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll see your website URL. Feel free to customize it here. Once you're happy, click Publish Website. And after it loads, click View Website. And then on the live site, just right-click anywhere and choose Save As. Save the file on your computer as an HTML document, and just like that, you've got your Canva website in HTML format. Another method you can do is this. First, head back to Canva. Click Share in the top right. Scroll down and click See All. Select Embed. And after that, Canva will give you an HTML embed code. Just copy and paste this into your website's code or anywhere you want to embed it. And that's it. Those are two simple ways to convert your Canva website to HTML. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.